All right, good morning. Today is an exciting day. I've been waiting for this day for a while now. We're getting shit done for the subie. Definitely. All right. I can't believe what I just did. My screen on my phone is cracked. I hope it's just the screen protector. I really hope so. Basically, my phone got stuck in between there, and now on both on top and right of the phone, the screen is cracked. Hopefully it's just the screen protector, because I do have it, so I'm gonna have to remove the screen protector. Get the old one out. Alright, so I got the tow hook installed solid. Got rid of the old fender. Give you guys a little look at what it looks like underneath. Alright, so we finished with Capital Tuning. Shout out to Trevor for doing an amazing job. I just want to show you guys the finish. Obviously the Bondo shows, but it's not a big deal. It is super clean, guys. I'm really happy. And you know we're in the Subaru Legends. This one here is beautiful. And the fact that it has no STI, the hood scoop is actually kind of cool. This guy here apparently is from Alberta. It's super clean though, I won't lie. Super clean. Alright, so we're gonna eat some Boston pizza. I'm gonna have a nice appetizer, probably a salad, and a nice pizza. Waiting on my boy Pappy to get here, and waiting for Wayne to get back. And just like that, I am back home. Good 2-hour drive from here to Ottawa. Not really that bad. The car looks amazing, guys. So here are the final touches of the car. So Trevor checked the engine oil, which is good. He checked all my fluids. He also checked out the axle boot on the right side of the passenger in the front. So basically right here, it's still good to go. And for the fender, well, here we go. This is it. No more rust hole at all. Now I could install my rally armor by myself, obviously. Just do some drilling. He did install the light for me, which man, I don't really need it, but who cares? But yeah, I'm really happy. I am really satisfied. It's unbelievable. And wow. Now, what makes me even more happier is that the fact is that going into Capital Tuning, I came in with a shitload of a couple of $100, thinking it was going to be expensive and all that. Wrong. I don't think this is like one of the cheapest repairs I've ever done on my car. Trevor literally only charged me $100 to install the fender. He didn't even charge me for the tow hook. As a matter of fact, the tow hook right now is super solid. Like, they actually have to do some trimming underneath just for it to fit, but it is super solid. Oh yeah. Whew. Try a little bouncy on that shit. And yeah. So I do have some friends who are telling me just don't do the exhaust, leave it alone, and get the rally armor. Obviously we're gonna get a new door this summer. Also a new windshield. Trevor's gonna hook us up with a new windshield for me and Wayne, for way less than what you get it for at regular places. And there is also a couple of JDM wheels I want to get as well, probably the gold ones. And I think that's about it. So for exhaust, I'm not really too sure what I'm gonna do. I'm not too sure. I have to see. We did go to Boston Pizza, me, Pavi, Wayne, and his girlfriend. It was actually pretty good. I got a nice grilled chicken salad, Caesar salad, and a small pepperoni and cheese pizza. The plate that they give you is actually pretty big, so for 40 bucks, it's not that bad. So this Sunday, I'm probably gonna install this with my boy Wayne. I'm gonna be at his place. We're gonna see what we can do for here. He told me he figured it out. So we're gonna install this at his place on Sunday, so you guys can look forward to another vlog. Looking good, looking so good. Still gotta buy some rims for my car. So in a few weeks from now, we're gonna hit Osaka JDM, get some nice JDM gold wheels. It is Friday today. I didn't end the vlog yesterday. I was so tired. I just wanted to go upstairs, relax. But I'm off to work. So car is 100% healthy. Engine is 100% healthy. So I've got nothing to worry about. And yep. So the only thing we gotta do next is windshield, rally armor, get a new door, color match it, JDM wheels. And that's basically about it. So for the exhaust, well, I'm gonna think about it. We're gonna wait. I'm not in the rush for that, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. I know it's not that much, but I had to give you guys something. Have a good day, guys. Be cool. Peace.